Hello everyone, welcome back to SKLEARNING, your go-to channel for tech tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to extract JSON keys in Notepad++ using its powerful find and regular expressions features. If you work with JSON files often, this trick will save you a lot of time. Let's dive in. Before we start, make sure you have Notepad++ installed on your computer. If you don't, download it from the official website. Also, we'll be working with a JSON file containing sample data. Open Notepad++. Start by opening your JSON file in Notepad++. Here's a simple file with nested objects and arrays. Press Ctrl+F on your keyboard to open the search dialog. Switch to the Find tab and enable the Match Using Regular Expression option at the bottom. To find all the keys in your JSON file, use this regular expression. Matches the opening double quote of a JSON key. Asterisk captures everything inside the double quotes. The key S asterisk matches any whitespace and the colon following the key. At the bottom of the dialog, under Search Mode, select Regular Expression. This pattern matches anything that looks like a key in the JSON format. Paste the regex into the search bar and demonstrate how it highlights all keys in the file, such as name, age, address, etc. Click Find All in Current Document to view all matches in the bottom panel. If you want to save the keys, copy the results from the search panel. Alternatively, you can mark the lines with keys by switching to the Mark tab, pasting the same regex, and clicking Mark All. This makes it easier to manage large JSON files. For nested keys, this regex works great, but you might need to clean up additional characters like braces or commas. If needed, you can combine this with Notepad++ Replace feature to extract keys more cleanly. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to extract JSON keys in Notepad++. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SKLEARNING. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more Notepad++ tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.